guys, so I'm on the bus. I think I chose my phone. I'm on the bus now. I'm sweating already. I only got jacket
Chester
on.
Road, Old Bell Road.
Hey guys, so I'm on the bus now. I think I catch early one as well. And I'm already sweating. And I'm just wearing a jacket. It's sunny outside. Yeah, hello. I'm tired as usual. Everything. It's only Wednesday. It's not even Thursday. Not even Friday. That means it's one of those days. But anyway, I gotta go work as usual. So catch you guys. Whatever. I'm not sure I said this in the morning, but if I didn't, I think I burnt my tongue from tea yesterday, even though I didn't drink it when it's hot. I let it cool down, then drank it. So get why my tongue feel like it burnt. And I hate when my tongue is burnt because I can't taste anything for a couple of days. So yeah, you can't even see me to the light, but still I'm annoyed. So guys, finished now. I'm on the tram and I've got editing things to do when I get home. When I do all the editing out of the way, I can do the keyboard maybe. We see, hopefully. Because I need to do lots of editing when I get home. But anyway, I'm on the tram now. You better hear me, but I'm on the tram. See you guys when I get home. Back home now guys, and Lily's here. She's so cute, and I forgot my laptop needs updating. So it might take a while, but I need to put the word out for day vlog. I need to record a tune station. I need to obviously, like I said, edit basically. And also I forgot to show you, because you know when I burnt myself, like the sun burnt and it tanned over. Well, today I started peeling. You can see it red still. I was starting peeling and everything, so yeah, that's fun. So it's like it hurts now, but yeah. See, that why don't go outside, guys? Gotta get hurt. Anyway, I'll go do all that stuff and then probably do my keyboard. We see. Isn't that right, Lily? Isn't that right, gorgeous girl? You're so cute. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Oh, she's so cute. I was going to get started on editing in a bit, but then Mom came home with dinner and that, Burger King. So I got to eat this or watch some YouTube videos and all that. Let me just get my YouTube video up. But anyway, I got Burger King now, so got my dinner, guys. Don't have to be hungry after, because I'm very hungry right now. We see, but I have got those cookies left. But anyway, I got to eat this. Yum, yum, yum. So guys, I forgot to, I'm not sure I said this, but basically I called videos Carl White with the new camera first time, and the video's great. I love the video. It's just the background noise. Basically I thought I did something wrong with the mic, but the mic is making a hissing noise, which is kind of annoying. Now on this camera obviously make noises, like if I silent now, you probably can hear it. I don't know. If you have your headphones in or earphones in, you can hear it a bit more, like the noise. But that's just the way it is, because I use this camera many times. I have dropped it a couple of times. But obviously new to the mic and everything, new to the camera, figuring everything out. There's a hissing noise. I thought I didn't plug it in properly or anything. There's no peaking, just like a hissing noise. So it's kind of annoying, really. Because I thought I gotta have a going mic, so then I have to deal with all that. Remember to turn it on, not everything. It's not that bad, because it depends. Because I'm trying to see if I can edit the hissing noise out, like making it lower, but you can't. Literally, you can't. I can hear it right now. But I know if I unplug this and play it to you, listen. First time I ever actually record on here. So, we see.
Take one and action.
Hey guys, like today I'm gonna... Can you hear her? Can you hear the hissing noise? Not really, only when you plug in whatever and everything. It's kind of annoying. I don't know how to get it out though, because it's like the hissing noise throughout what we're speaking, but I don't know. But it's not, it's bad because it's annoying, because I spend money and it's piece shit. But I'm used to the noise as well, because this camera has noise because it's old. So I don't know, just kind of annoying really. Like when I test it out, this is what confused me. When I test the audio out and like put it on my laptop and then do all that, I didn't hear any hissing noise at all. I did a test footage like a couple of minutes ago, to see if there's hissing noise there. But there's no hissing noise. Like, no hissing noise at all. Like, I hadn't changed settings or anything. It's the same settings when I recorded. But there was no hissing noise, which doesn't make sense. So I thought, okay, maybe when I'm speaking there's hissing noise. But there's no hissing noise. I don't know. It's very confusing me. Like, these videos, 2 videos I filmed got hissing noise, which can't annoy me. Can't do anything about it because I tried. But I tested it out now, there was no hissing noise. So I don't know guys, but it's just kind of annoying. I think I fixed it a little bit guys, not the video, because obviously I can't fix it, like the audio to it, because I did try, like, you know, getting the background noise a bit lower and everything, but I can't do it. I'm not very good at editing audio anyway, but I personally can't do it. So 2 videos to film with him. The quality's okay if you don't put your earphones or headphones in, but you still can hear it when I put them in. But it's just one of those things. But I think I fixed it now on my camera, so next time I record, it's still got this sound, but not as bad. But I don't know. He hadn't made like a really bad hissing sound like he did when we were filming. So I don't know. So basically, I thought this mic was good. Apparently it's not. So I need to get a proper mic. Don't have the money for that, so I need to save up for that. When? I have no idea. But that will do me for now, because I got this camera and the audio shit on here. Well, not the shit, but like the background noise shit on here, you know what I mean? And I don't know, but I tried. I think I got it all sorted, but I didn't want to spend this long dealing with it. I got to edit the video now, the rest of it, because I think I edited. This video can't be edited in such a way, 'cause it's that type of video, but at least adding a couple of things or something like that, and then convert it and schedule it, well, not schedule it yet, but all that. And then I could do songs for Edge Station. I want to record it today, but I just need a break from my laptop to watch some YouTube videos or something, you know what I mean? I don't want to think I need it, but anyway, yeah, I think I'll fix it on the camera though. So this may take some time guys, because it's a long video. So yeah, I've been doing it with the camera, so I haven't been editing it obviously, but now I have. Obviously not much to do with it, because obviously it's one of those type of videos. The other video film, that I got a lot edit on that. But yeah, so that's saving now. I've got to get the songs and everything for Edge Station. I'm not going to record it yet, but I'm getting all the stuff for it and everything. Until that time, YouTube videos. Oh my boy, YouTube videos. So guys, it's later on now. I haven't done anything about Edge Station. I haven't vlogged much today. Stop looking at me like that. Stop it. Oh god, I actually fell. Anyway, yeah, I know I haven't guys, I know, just, I'm sorry. Basically, I'll go talk to Carl, and then we've been talking for 2 hours and something on the phone. So yeah, I didn't mean to talk for that long. Basically what happened yesterday, when I talked to Aaron for long, and then I just didn't do anything. Kind of like that, basically what happened today. So I have saved the new main channel video. I haven't done thumbnail for it, but I have saved it. So that's something. I haven't done my keyboard, but I have looked at my keyboard. So, but yeah, I'll go do Edge Station tomorrow. I haven't even put any things for Edge Station. I might do that now, get the songs and the photos and everything now. I say that, but yeah. But I need to end this vlog now. Time is 23:23. Wait, what? 23:23? Yeah, it is 23:23. Anyway, yeah. And I'll go bed soon, but I need to edit this day vlog. But anyway, I got in this vlog now. So if you enjoy this vlog, hit thumbs up if you enjoy it, and good night. I'll see you tomorrow with the Murder Daily vlog. Hopefully good day vlogger, hopefully, and bye. Bye guys.